Hello, hello. It has been far too long, and I do have to apologize to you guys. I am sorry that I went a little MIA for about 3 months there, but I do have to say thank you guys so much for being patient with me getting a new video out to you guys. I felt like I needed a little bit of time to hibernate and rest and just give my brain and my body a little bit of time to rejuvenate. And so I took the winter off, essentially. I started this YouTube channel back up in August, and I didn't miss a single week of posting from August all the way through to January 1st. And that was a marathon. It was like sprinting a marathon. I loved every minute of it. I loved creating, but I just felt a little bit creatively drained. And I have been learning a lot about slow living and minimalism from my friend Madison Gray. If you don't follow her, she teaches slow living and minimalism here on YouTube, and she is my absolute favorite account to follow. I binge watch her videos all the time because I just love the lifestyle that she has built for herself. So if you don't follow her, go follow her. She lives her life very seasonally, and I felt like I really needed that. I needed a few months to just rest and rejuvenate and to come back stronger than ever. And so I'm here, and I'm so excited to share some new videos with you guys in the coming weeks. Let's go ahead and get started and talk about some of the new things around the house. Okay, first and foremost, and probably my favorite new addition to the house so far this year is this beautiful printed rug from June Laloy. This is a collaboration with Lone Fox, and if you watched my Lone Fox kitchen makeover video, you know I absolutely love Lone Fox. He is a designer, and he also creates here on YouTube. I think most people know who he is, but if you don't, go check him out. So this is actually a rug, but you can hang it on the wall, and I've been really loving leaning into kind of a more vintage style look. Like, I love the French tapestries, like antique French tapestries, but they are insanely expensive, and this is such a great alternative if that is a look that you are wanting to recreate but you just don't have the budget for it. This rug is very inexpensive. I think it was just over $100, maybe it was $110, whereas if you were to buy a real vintage tapestry like this, it would be like thousands. So it saves a bundle, and it still looks so beautiful. Some of the other new items in this little area over here is this really beautiful vintage vase that I picked up from a company called Global. They're down in Phoenix. So if you're in the Phoenix area, definitely go check out Global. They have so many beautiful vintage pieces. Like, I had so much fun looking through everything, but this vase is from there. I haven't even washed this vase because I'm worried that it's going to take off some of this beautiful aged patina. So I just love this whole like vintage aged look. And then I also partnered recently with A Floral, and I featured several new stems from them. If you don't know what A Floral is, they have some of the best faux florals and faux stems that you can purchase online. Theirs are like bar none the most realistic looking faux stems. And I used to hate faux stems. I used to think they were so cheesy looking, but if you buy good ones, they are 100% worth it. So one of the stems that I purchased from them was these fig stems, and I love this look. I love these stems paired in this whole vignette right here. I think it's just really pretty and beautiful. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite new piece that I've gotten so far this year. Another new item here is this beautiful lumbar pillow. Again, this is from June Laloy, and it is also another item from the June Laloy Lone Fox collaboration. The colors on this are absolutely stunning. Again, if you're looking for something that has this tapestry look, this is such a great inexpensive option, and I love the size of it. The colors are stunning, all of it. It is probably my new favorite pillow, possibly my most favorite pillow I've ever purchased. And since we're talking about pillows, I want to share these really pretty velvet pillows that I got from Quince. This has this really pretty neutral beige tone with a gorgeous chocolate brown accent around the outside. It pairs so perfectly with this pillow because the chocolate brown brings out these tones here in this tapestry pillow, and the taupe matches right here. Like, this whole pairing is so perfect. So this whole look right now is just bringing me a lot of joy. More stems around the house that are new. These little bare branches are from A Floral as well. I thought these were so pretty and definitely give off that more minimalist look, which I do really love. I added them to this really large vase that I picked up at HomeGoods and put them in this corner. I think this could be really pretty if you put it up on like a pedestal table or something along those lines. These stems are so beautiful. They do not look fake, but they are, and they are bendy, so you can bend them how you want them to be. I just think this whole vignette right here is so pretty. Next, I wanted to share a couple of new items here in the kitchen. First things first, these absolutely gorgeous A Floral stems. These ones were my favorite that I picked up. These are the grapevine stem. I love the cute little tendrils that it has on the ends, and the actual color of these stems I think is what makes them my favorite. I love the color variation. I love this like kind of chartreuse green mixed with the brown tones. It is very much my neutral vibes that I love so much, and I have it in this cute little vase that I picked up from HomeGoods a couple of months ago. Another favorite, and you guys, do not be sleeping on Etsy. I found the most gorgeous copper tea kettle on Etsy. And in fact, it's funny, I do a vision board every year. And this year for my 2026 vision board, one of the first images that I wanted to put on the vision board was a picture of Lone Fox's kitchen. And he has a tea kettle almost exactly like this. And when I went onto Etsy, I found one that was very similar. So, you know, you got to do your vision boards and check out Etsy because they have some really amazing stuff. So I love this tea kettle. I think it is so beautiful. Another little item that I picked up, and this is just from Amazon, is this really pretty, beautiful wooden pedestal bowl. This is just like a little something extra to put in the kitchen. You're not supposed to use it on food. And in fact, I wouldn't use it for food because the inside is very dark and it almost looks like it was like burnt out of the wood. It's kind of interesting, but I do think it's cool just for some decorative items in the kitchen. And then I also picked up a couple of cute vintage cutting boards from that global brand down in Phoenix. This one I felt like was just so cute. It has this kind of like folksy looking design etched into it. It's just so cute. I felt like it would be something that would be in like Snow White's cottage or something. So I had to pick up this one when I saw this one at Global. And then I also picked up this really pretty one that has these metal accents on it. These are like vintage Turkish cutting boards. They are all the rage right now. Etsy has all kinds of options, and that's where I was going to get my vintage cutting boards if I hadn't had gone to Global to get mine. But these are just so pretty, and I just love adding them to the kitchen. I just think it gives it such a pretty like vintage little extra. And last but not least, in the kitchen, I picked up these cute fern stems from HomeGoods. I just thought these were really pretty, and I do really love ferns. I just think ferns are so beautiful, and I don't think that people use fern stems all that often. So I thought that these are really cute, and they're definitely giving spring vibes. That's kind of the synopsis of what's been happening around here, some of the new items. And I just want to thank you guys so much for being patient with me and getting this video to you guys. I feel rested and rejuvenated, and I am ready to share some more amazing content with you guys. So thank you so much for being here. And if you've watched this far, truly thank you so very much for watching my videos. You mean so much to me. I appreciate you. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.